I'm Elizabeth Greenberg, and I'm the Vice President of Academic Affairs at Maine Media Workshops in College. Maine's a wonderful place to come and do photography. I mean, it's a perfect place to be in the summer. Cool air, blue skies, green grass, and we're here on the coast with plenty of lobster for everyone. It's a quiet, intimate place where you can truly get away from the things that you do in your daily life. Coming to Maine Media is a chance to experiment, a chance to take risks, a chance to be your true and authentic self, and to try the things that you might not be able to try when you're at home. In all of our daily lives, our spouses, our employers, the things that we do make demands and expectations of us. When we're here making pictures, telling stories, making films, we get to do exactly what we're passionate about doing with no expectations. I almost encourage failure. It's a way to know that you've done something new, that you're learning, you're growing, you're taking risks. And what's on the other side of that is the most exciting place to be.
Can't stop, addicted to the fast life. Feels like we're living in the past life.